we have a question related to the watch, a watch, and let me tell you that this question is very interesting question and practical question. So this is 12, this is 6, this is 3, and this is 9. So question says the hour hand of the clock is struck at 3 o'clock. This is hour hand, and but minute hand is running correctly. There is a person who first observed this hour hand and minute hand at 3:15 o'clock. Okay, 3:15 o'clock. Now again he observes second time and finds that the angle